Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Auralia and I am so very excited for today's video because I am featuring one of my favorite brands, and that is Quince. We are going to be talking about the best that Quince has for fall 2025 based off of the things that I have in my own closet. For this first outfit, I am featuring this beautiful burgundy 100% silk dress. It is washable silk, which makes it easy to maintain. It is very well constructed. I love Quince's silk. I think that it is excellent quality for the price point that you are paying. It is very well constructed and it is a stunner. And this tank style is my favorite because you can wear a conventional bra with it. Throughout today's video, I am going to be featuring several of Quince's handbags, starting out with this stunning Italian leather woven clutch with a handle. I wore this in Los Angeles on our dinner out and I absolutely loved it because it held everything that I needed and it was so pretty. I got a lot of compliments on the bag, and I can't believe how affordable this bag is given the really attainable price point. Everything, by the way, that I am talking about is going to be linked at the top of the description bar through YouTube affiliate links, so make sure that you check those out. I'm wearing the dress with these Ralph Lauren pumps in saddle. I just love how tan and brown play so nicely with burgundy. By the way, I have this dress in the forest green and it is just as stunning. In outfit 2, I am wearing the burgundy dress, but in this case I have layered a cable knit Mongolian cashmere sweater over it to give it more of an office appropriate look, especially with the Ralph Lauren heels and as well as with this beautiful bag. I really like layering over this dress. I like the fact that, one, we're getting a little bit more warmth. Secondly, we're making this a little bit more office appropriate. The cable knitting on the sweater is really great. The sweater is a little bit shrunken in size, so it is meant to fit a little bit smaller. Now let's focus on this stunning handbag. This is the Italian leather patchwork bag, and it is my go-to. I am reaching for this bag again and again and again. I love how spacious it is, but yet it is still small. It does have a shoulder strap. It has the hand strap as well. The construction, as always with Quince bags, is impeccable. It has feet. It is just one of the most beautiful bags that I own. I truly love it, and I wear it all the time. It fits so much, and it is so chic and so pretty. What I truly love about Quince is that they make luxury attainable, and that is one of their taglines. They are all about making wonderful, beautiful things attainable for all at price points that are really good. The quality is always very good, and I never have trouble with Quince. Outfit 3 is a Mongolian cashmere V-neck sweater dress. I am pairing it with a Valentino belt with a pair of boots from Vivaya, which, by the way, if you have wide calves, then take a look at these boots from Vivaya. They are made of fabric, but they don't look like lederhosen, which I like. I don't like looking like I'm wearing socks when I'm trying to wear boots, but they're excellent for wide calves. I want to touch on the handbag here because it is another stunner from Quince. This is a half moon bag and it is made of Italian leather, but this one is very shiny, very glossy, almost patent, but not quite. This is a specialty handbag, not gonna lie, because it is very narrow. I would say you would use this on days when you don't have to carry a lot, maybe in an evening out. Here, though, I really wanted to focus on this dress because it is one of my go-tos. I absolutely love to wear this dress. I wear it all the time. I like wearing it with the boots because it's going to give you max warmth because the boots are very warm. That's what I love about these knee-high boots from Vivaya. But generally, I don't wear it with a belt. I wear it unbelted, and I usually wear it when I am just putzing about the house because it is the perfect winter dress, casual or dressy. Another one of my favorite dresses from Quince. This one is so beautiful. It is made of a cotton cashmere, very stretchy, ribbed knit. This dress is a perfect dress for the office or for date night or however you want to wear it. I've worn it just messing around here at home. What I like about the dress is it's got a beautiful shape to it, and it's got this little tie in the back. Not exactly sure what its purpose is, but it's okay. It's a cute little bit to have on there. I really love this dress because it is a perfect anytime dress. You can wear it when you're working. You could wear it when you are going to church, or if you're going out, if you've got a dinner, heaven forbid a funeral. I mean, you can really get a lot out of this dress because it is a blank canvas essentially, but it fits over the body really beautifully. Now, I do want to say, forgive the rug. I shot this on a completely different day and I had not rolled up my rug. Let me know what you think of the difference. Do you prefer the rug? Do you not? I think I prefer not because I feel that the rug can be a little bit distracting, but do let me know. Anyway, this dress is so good. One that I think that if you are looking for a do-everything dress, this is the one. You can go anywhere with it. You can dress it up, dress it down, and it's going to work for you. Outfit 5 is another favorite because of the color. I absolutely love Quince's burgundy. It is the perfect burgundy. This is a Mongolian cashmere turtleneck sweater dress, and what I like about this one is that it's got slits on both sides, which makes it easy to walk in, and for me, I feel dresses it up just a little bit. I'm less likely to wear this just around the house. I want to feature the necklace that I'm wearing throughout this video, as well as the earrings. This is an 18 karat gold vermeil chunky paperclip necklace and a pair of gold hoops. But just in general, all of the jewelry, I've got a few pieces from Quince, is so far been really good. Now, because it's vermeil, I think this is something that it takes time to really appreciate or understand if it's going to be a really good piece. But so far, these have been the ones that I have been reaching for the most, especially the earrings. Going back to the dress, again with the Vivaya boots, I absolutely adore these long boots. They are just fabulous. And I'm adding the patchwork bag just to give a pop of tan. You could belt this dress if you want to, but I tend to like it on its own. I feel that it is just really beautiful, but it also helps to give you that column of color that makes you taller, that makes you look leaner, especially because it's a turtleneck, so it's going all the way up. This dress is absolute perfection as well, and so very soft and really affordable. Outfit 6 has got a fast favorite sweater. This is a Mongolian cashmere boatneck sweater, and I love the fact that this particular sweater has got a lot of interesting little features. First of all, the neck is relaxed and it is really beautiful. The hemline of the sweater is a high-low, which I find unique, and it is incredibly comfortable to wear. Now moving on to the bag really quickly, this is their suede shopper tote in brown. This is probably the best piece on the Quince website right now. However, it is sold out a lot because it is so good. And you have 100% suede with a beautiful canvas lining. It's got feet, it's got pockets galore. It's a perfect work tote or just you want to carry everything tote. And it's very well priced. So that explains why it's always sold out. The skirt is also from Quince. It is a washable silk skirt and it is in this fantastic leopard print, although I do own several others in other colors. It is so beautiful the way that it floats around the body, and especially in this leopard print, I am just here for it. I did do a little bit of a switch up here. I added the woven leather clutch to the outfit because I wanted to demonstrate that this is a perfect work to dinner kind of outfit. I'm also wearing these little cap toe mules that I'm not sure if they're available anymore, but I will have a similar cap toe shoe linked for you. Probably from Quince. But I really, really love the outfit because the sweater just gives it this relaxed, effortless chic kind of vibe that I'm here for. In this next outfit, it's another variation of the same, but I did want to pull out this turtleneck from Quince. This is their cotton rib turtleneck. It's a micro rib and it is the most comfortable turtleneck that I have ever worn. It is a fantastic wardrobe basic, something that you can use to layer or to feature as I've done here. I also wanted to feature this beautiful woven handbag. This is called their pouch bag. It is normally a crossbody. It comes with a long leather strap, but I had this purse chain kind of hanging around and I didn't have anything else to do with it. So I decided to put it onto this little pouch bag because I wanted to make it a bit more evening appropriate. I'm not crazy about wearing this bag as a crossbody, but I do love the idea of it as a clutch. It is a beautiful little clutch bag at a really great price. So this outfit, again, work appropriate. I love the turtleneck because it features the necklace and it looks so beautiful, so chic. And what I truly like about these turtlenecks is that, one, you can buy them in value packs, so you can get a discount on them if you buy them in sets of 3, which, being wardrobe basics, makes perfect sense to do, and it elevates any look. To demonstrate that, I have layered this turtleneck underneath this sweater vest that I got from J. Crew Factory. The jeans are also from J. Crew Factory, so we have now crossed over into casual attire. Honestly, any of the pieces that I've shown could be worn casually. But I like the way that this turtleneck layers, and I wanted to demonstrate that. But I also wanted to feature these suede penny loafers that you can get from Quince. They are stunning. They are so comfortable. The suede is so soft and pliable, and they just look really elevated, even though I'm wearing a pretty casual outfit here. I have paired my Dooney and Burke bag that I purchased while I was out and about antiquing. It's a vintage bag, and I really like the way this looks. The entire look is a very elevated, going out about town kind of look. You can wear it for errands, kid pickup, going out to hang out at the mall with the family, going to family dinner, going out to lunch with the girls if you don't want to dress up. The barrel leg jeans from J. Crew Factory, by the way, are a fast favorite. I cannot stop wearing them. I love them that much. They are so comfortable, and I was able to get them in Petite, which is always really nice. I really like the way the outfit looks. I really love the way the Dooney and Burke bag kind of brings this elevated equestrian vibe to the look, and with a barn jacket, you've got quite the outfit. Any of these outfits would look really great with a barn jacket, even this one. I am wearing a ribbed cotton cashmere sweater from Quince. It's in an olivey kind of green, and it's fantastic. This is a look that I'm probably going to go to again and again because it is so easy, it is so comfortable, it looks just really pulled together and elevated, even though it is a going out about town kind of outfit, especially when you pair it with these horse bit 100% Italian leather loafers from Quince. These are very similar to the horsebit loafers that you get from Gucci. They are very close in appearance, but at a much more attainable price point, and they're just as comfortable. I love them. The look is, again, very casual, something that you can wear when you're going out about town doing whatever it is that you do, or even if you're just dressing for being at home. This is an incredibly comfortable outfit. Again, the jeans are perfection from J. Crew Factory, and they are one of my casual go-tos. They really, really are. The sweater is also definitely one that I am reaching for again and again. And here we are with yet another smart casual look. I am wearing the Quint Cashmere, Mongolian Cashmere crew neck sweater. And I have it layered with this flannel that I got from J. Crew Factory, as well as the barrel jeans from J. Crew Factory. I'm wearing my GH Bass Penny loafers because they're a smarter loafer. They're just as beautiful as the Quince loafers, but they're a different vibe. And of course, I've got my patchwork leather bag. This outfit, guys, is something that is way outside of what I would normally wear, but I love it because I feel so incredibly elevated in this outfit, even though I am very casual and I am layered. This I would wear going out, doing whatever it is that I do, and I like it because it really offers you the opportunity to have something as luxurious as cashmere and pair it with very casual pieces, and you will look like $1,000,000. You look very elevated, very pulled together, very bougie without spending bougie dollars. You know what I mean? And because the sweaters they're Cashmere 2.0, they're much better constructed than the first generation of cashmere that they released. And it wears very well, and the color is spectacular, but they have got all kinds of colors available in this now viral cashmere sweater. Staying with the casual mode, staying with the jeans with the GH Bass Penny loafers, I wanted to feature their Mongolian Cashmere V-neck sweater because this is a really great sweater to wear when you're out and about. Also good to layer with. I could totally see wearing a t-shirt under this or a tank top, underneath it. And I've paired it with the suede bag because I wanted to also demonstrate that if you work in a casual work environment where jeans are okay, this is a perfect casual work environment, whether you're in the office or you're working from home, because you're pulled together, you're dressed for your day, but you're dressed casually. So depending on your corporate culture, if this is acceptable, this is a really, really great work look, I think, and super, super comfortable. And that suede bag carries everything. It's amazing. I love this outfit so much. And then I wanted to give you another variation on this outfit because I wanted to feature a different colorway for those of you who don't necessarily like dark brown. First of all, this bag. This is an Italian leather quilted handbag that has got a long chain that you can shorten to wear as a shoulder bag. The construction is impeccable and the leather is so soft and so wonderful. It looks really, really great, especially when paired with these horse bit loafer mules. Now I included these for those of you gals who are in a warmer climate and can wear mules during the winter, whether it's warm or dry or both. These are an acceptable fall type shoe. You're still giving that loafer vibe, but you're cooling down a little bit because the shoe itself doesn't have a back. I really like the way the look came together. I think that it is another really great casual look. So I hope that you enjoyed some of the pieces that I've really been loving from Quince that I think are totally worth the money, but still very, very attainable. Again, everything is going to be pinned at the top of the description box. You'll also see it pop up here on the screen as I'm talking about each piece. So feel free to shop away if this is something that you feel that you need to get for your closet. I am going to leave you with another Quince video here so that you can check out some of the other pieces that I have. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you in that video. Bye.